to Daytime Live. All right, so guys, welcome back. We all have habits that are not good for us, and that some habits we need to leave in 2024. So here are a few things that we think could get left behind. Ready?
Yeah man. Let's see what's going on. All right, so the first thing is spending too much time on social media. Spending too much time on social media can disrupt your way of living life. Nowadays this has become a new way of wasting time. You know, you will lose out on the best things in life if you just spend your time scrolling.
It's true.
Very true.
It's true.
Very true.
It's like when you go on.
Yeah, man. See if you can balance it a little bit. I mean, that's the real thing. Of course, you know, there's several benefits to social media. One of the most important is real-time information dissemination. You know, you want to be able to look and can see things and find out about things, but at the same time, you can't overdo it.
Yeah,
you know?
And I think to go with that, I really feel like for social media, you should really try to set some kind of clock. Mm-hmm. You know, so if you take up your phone, like set an alarm on your phone and say, all right, I'm going to give 20 minutes or whatever your thing is. Because you can dip on social media and look down, and by the time you look up, sun come up, you know. And as long as you stay at school, you look up and you're like, oh, it's been an hour. Or, oh.
Yeah,
so you really have to be careful
time can
about
fly.
that. Time can fly.
Time can fly.
Speaking of flying, you have to fly away from confrontation. Yes, avoid confrontation, guys.
You sure you must avoid it?
Avoid confrontation?
I think you should move. I think you should lean into it. You know?
You think we should lean? So you think we should don't avoid confrontation?
Yeah, I mean, sometimes fear of confrontation will make you not do things where you really should do. And when you suppress them feelings, they end up explode at the wrong times and on the wrong people. So, I mean, I've never been one to run from confrontations.
We know, Craig.
Yeah, I always look it dead in the eye.
He found out too. And then twirl the baton. The microphone.
No, that we are left in 2024.
Twirl.
We live in that.
Yeah. So maybe for me it's the word confrontation. It's more like express, like if something is on your heart, say it. Don't be afraid. If something just keeps like going over in your mind, like express it. Okay. Because these things can lead to all kind of things.
Me will call it confrontation. All
right, call it confrontation. I'm avoiding confrontation.
We don't mind it.
25. I'm avoiding it because I love a fight.
All right, so the third thing to leave in 2024 is multitasking. Yeah? So multitasking is a myth for human beings. The human brain cannot perform two tasks that require high-level brain function at once. Low-level functions like breathing, pumping blood aren't considered in multitasking at all. You know, all of the tasks that you have to think about, you know, those are the only things that are considered. What actually happens when you think you are multitasking is that you're rapidly switching between tasks, yeah? So in 2025, we're going to focus on one task at a time, or else you might end up ruining everything you're working on.
It's true, because I feel like sometimes you end up not finish nothing and you start 900 things and finish nothing.
Exactly.
So, yeah. The other thing that we're definitely leaving, negative energy. That's right. Negative emotions can cause stress, which in turn impacts your health. Stress can destroy your body's hormone balance, impair the immune system, and drain your positive brain chemicals. Negative energy in the form of poorly expressed anger can cause dysfunction of the heart and digestive system. Leave all of the negative energy them and focus on the positive and good side. It's all about perspective.
Yeah, I kind of left that in 2022, you know.
We left a long time?
Yeah, man, I kind of left that one a long time. I mean, you know, as you grow, you grow.
Yeah.
So, you know, you get psychologically stronger too and psychologically more mature. So, you know, maybe I'm walking further and further away from it. But I made that conscious decision from a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
You know?
It's very true. And they say that a lot of times studies are finding that like cancer, lots of cancer is caused by suppressed negativity that's stored in your cells.
Yeah.
And in your immune system, per se, in your lymph nodes and stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, we definitely have to lift that.
Yeah, I see a good one here. Comparisons, leave comparisons behind. Nowadays, almost 90+% of people are comparing themselves with others, which is not good because everyone has different capabilities. Everyone depends on their own path. So you need to focus on your strength and don't get sad or jealous when you see others succeed or others grow. Yeah, don't compare yourself to others. Embrace your authentic self and move forward.
Yeah, that is true, because there's only one you. So when you try to be somebody else, now they become two. Now it's oversaturated.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But when I want you, special. So yeah, me agree with that.
Yeah.
You know something else that me have to go run from? Overthinking. Yes, nowadays overthinking has become a very, very serious problem. There are many things that can happen in the life of people as we're going through, and then we start overthinking things, which is not good for growth. So focus, manifestation is a good one, right? So you want to focus your mind on what you want.
And
so focus on that and then let it go, because you can't do nothing about it.
Yeah, that's something I definitely had a lot of focus on in 2024. So, you know, saying in 2025, I'm going to focus more on just being, you know, and being at peace with allowing higher powers to you know, organize things to make what you want happen.
And I like that.
Yeah.
Because even when you're at peace, you know, you don't want to stay in your comfort zone.
Correct.
Right? Because sometimes comfort or comfort and ease is the enemy of greatness.
Sure.
So you don't want to stay in your comfort zone. You want to do things. You know, it's very easy to stay in your comfort zone. So what you want to do is you want to ensure that you're challenging yourself every time, finding new things and new ways to grow and all that good stuff.
Best thing.
Yeah.
All right, what's the next one now?
The next one, hallelujah, is... Yes, number 9 is a good one. Number 9, we have trying to please everyone.
No, we left that.
Yeah, man, we left that. It's human nature. You want to try to make everybody happy. You can't make everybody happy, so just make yourself happy and those that you love. You
Yeah, we left that from about 2021. We left that one.
Left a long time.
We left that one a long.
And what about the last one, number 10? That's a really good one.
Number 10, excuses.
Yes.
Now, this is what a whole heap of the youths them nowadays need to learn, excuses. Now, in the year 2025, it will be beneficial for you if you stop making excuses, yeah? Start finding new opportunities to do wonderful new things related to your goals and your purposes. So stop thinking about excuses for not doing the things that you look for, and look for new opportunities to get things done. If you really want to do it, then you do it. There are no excuses. Accountability is a thing that is very important, and that missing with enough of the youths.
Facts. Stop making excuses on excuses. And I'm sure our next guests don't know about no excuses because they get things done. That is right. Daytime, I'll be right back. And it's all about maroon culture with Chief Curry and
From the ends.
On the ends. Hey.
Bless you.